Okay, so today, let's put this here like that. I'm going to show you today what I did with my Ford F-150. See, I made a filter inside the original box. I just bought a filter. I had a piece of bent aluminum pipe at the house. I try to modify it as best as I can inside there. And I bolted on there with the, you can see there, the washer. There's the filter. I made a spacing here, as you can see, to cover the gap because the pipe's too small. Or the width there is 4 inches, this is 3 inches, so I put a piece of rubber over there with another piece of rubber to connect the spot there. So now I'm going to install it in here. As you can see, I just put it back in here, put that back in there like that. Filter here, just drop it in like that. There we go. See there, that's it, we're in. Now I just gotta tighten up here. Wrong screwdriver. I did it in my flat screwdriver. Tighten up there. Lock this back here. See there, we're back in business. Like all original. See, this is my old filter here that I took out. So I've got a new filter in there. It's all original. Don't have any issues. And all this here just costs under a few dollars, like less than 30 bucks. Sorry, more like about 40 bucks. Yeah.